Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 best women's beach volleyball players of all time. Beach volleyball is a highly competitive sport that has been played for over 100 years. It takes place on a stand court with a net in the middle to divide both sides. Each team consists of 2 players who must work together to score points by landing the ball within the boundaries of their opponent's side of the court. Beach volleyball is played both recreationally and professionally and has been an official Olympic sport since 1996. Here are 7 of the world's best women's beach volleyball players to ever play the sport. Number 7. April Rose. April Rose is an American beach volleyball player who has competed in 3 Olympic Games. Unlike other players who competed in multiple Olympics with the same partner, Rose competed in all 3 Olympics with a different partner each time. She won silver in the London 2012 Olympics with Jennifer Casey, bronze in the Rio 2016 Olympics with Kerry Walsh Jennings, and gold in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Rose also won AVP Team of the Year 4 times with 3 separate partners, cementing her legacy as one of the most dynamic beach volleyball players of all time. Number 6. Holly McPeak. Holly McPeak rounds out this list over more accomplished players because of her height. At 5 feet 7 inches, McPeak is one of the shorter players in the beach volleyball history. Despite her small stature, McPeak is a huge force to be reckoned with between the lines. While McPeak only has 2 major international medals to her name, bronze at the 2004 Summer Olympics and silver in the 1997 World Championships, her domination at the lower levels is quite astonishing. She was a 3-time Olympian and had more major beach volleyball competitions been introduced sooner, she would have likely won some of them. These are some of her achievements. 2nd all-time in career earnings, 3rd all-time in titles won, inducted into the Volleyball Hall of Fame in 2009, 72 career titles, first women's beach volleyball player to surpass $1 million in career earnings. McPeak won the NCAA Women's Indoor Volleyball Championship with the UCLA Bruins in 1990 but had already shifted to beach volleyball by the time she graduated. During her professional career, McPeak earned 5 different MVP awards and an AVP Outstanding Achievement Award in 2004. Number 5. Adriana Behr. Adriana Behr was born in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1969. At age 13, she started playing volleyball, and in 1992, she began playing beach volleyball. In 1995, Behr teamed up with Shelda Bade. This pairing proved to be one of the best in the history of the sport. In the history of the FIVB World Tour, no duo has won more gold medals or prize money than Behr and Bade. The two were FIVB World Champions in 1999 and 2001, earning bronze medals in 1997 and silver in 2003. However, Behr and Bade never took home Olympic gold, falling just short in both 2000 and 2004. The 2000 silver medals were a product of a loss to Australians Natalie Cook and Kerry Pothurst in Australia, while in 2004 they avenged their loss to the Aussies, but ultimately fell to Kerry Walsh Jennings and Misty May Trainer in the final. Behr and Bade did manage to become the first pair to win multiple beach volleyball medals at the Olympics through and took home gold in the 1999 Pan American Games. Number 4. Natalie Cook. Natalie Cook makes this list as the best Australian beach volleyball player of all time and probably the best outside of the Americas, having competed in every Olympiad from the inaugural beach volleyball competition in 1996 to the 2012 London Olympics. It would be hard to find a more experienced player than Cook. Cook began her volleyball career in 1993. Over her 20-year professional career, she played in a record 165 international FIVB events. The highlight of Natalie Cook's extensive career was the 2000 Summer Olympics. Hosted by their home nation of Australia, it was vital for Cook and longtime partner Kerry Pothurst to take home the gold medals. They did so in stunning fashion. After comfortably winning their way to the final, Cook and Pothurst faced 2 more Brazilians, Adriana Behr and Shelda Bade. Cook's other significant international achievements include bronze medals at the 1996 Atlanta Olympics and the 2003 World Championships in Rio de Janeiro. Number 3. Jackie Silva. Jackie Silva was much more than a dominant force on the sand. She helped cultivate beach volleyball when it was still very much a developing sport. Like most beach volleyball players, Silva began her volleyball career playing on indoor teams. After being selected to the Brazilian national team at age 14, Silva helped bring Brazil to their first ever Olympics in Moscow in 1980 and 4 years later in Los Angeles in 1984. In 1987, Silva decided to move to Italy to pursue a career in beach volleyball. She then relocated to the United States a year later. Jackie Silva was known for being a fierce player on the court and in the sand. She was extremely competitive and her temper even got her cut from the Brazilian national team 3 different times. This fire was part of the reason she was so successful on the court. Number 2. Misty May Trainer. Making up the other half of the most legendary duo in the history of the women's beach volleyball, Misty May Trainer teamed up with Kerry Walsh Jennings in 2001. The pair went on to win countless competitions, both domestic and international. This included winning streaks of 90 games and 112 games in a row, both setting world records at the time, with the streak of 112 still standing today. May Trainer earned 4 consecutive AVP Most Valuable Players honors from 2005 to 2008. She also earned the FIVB's Most Outstanding Player Award in 2005 and 2008. May Trainer's other AVP awards include 3-time Best Defensive Player 2006 to 2008 and 5-time Best Offensive Player 2004 to 2008. At 5 feet 9 inches, May Trainer had to rely on a smaller frame to contribute to her teams. She usually played as the defender, while Walsh Jennings took on the block position up front. The chemistry between these two was unmatched, and together they are frequently referred to as the greatest duo to ever play beach volleyball. Number 1. Kerry Walsh Jennings. Kerry Walsh Jennings was being an absolutely dominant figure on volleyball courts since her college years, where she was a 4-time All-American and won 2 national championships with the Stanford University indoor volleyball team. Walsh Jennings partnered up with Misty May Trainer in 2001 and the pair finished ranked 5th worldwide after their first ever beach circuit together. The duo's success was far from overthrown. A year later they seized the number 1 ranking and by 2003, they were setting the world record for wins in a row at 90. Walsh Jennings and May Trainer continue their unprecedented success throughout the 2000s, breaking their own record for consecutive wins in 112 matches.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.